Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to balance this given equation where we have silver nitrate and sodium carbonate on the reactant side, and we have sodium nitrate and silver carbonate on the product side. So to make this process really easy, I am going to consider NO3 and CO3 as polyatomic ions, and we are going to count it as it is. This will make the entire process very easy for you. So let's start counting the number of atoms on both reactant and product side. Here I have one silver atom, and I have one NO3 group, two sodium atoms over here because it is Na2, and one CO3 group. Okay, let's repeat it for the product side. On product side I have two silver atoms, one NO3 group, one sodium atom, and one CO3 group. Okay, so the first issue that you can notice over here is we have two atoms of silver on the product side and only one on the reactant side. So that is not possible, and to fix it I am going to add a coefficient 2. This in turn will also change the number of NO3 ions. So now I have two NO3 ions on the reactant side, which means we need to fix it on our product side as well. So adding a coefficient 2 over here will also help us balance the number of sodium atoms, as now we have two sodium atoms on both reactant and product side and two NO3 groups on both these sides. And now if you look at this equation, it is balanced, and using the method of counting these NO3 and CO3 ions as it is really helpful and cuts down a lot of hassle. I hope this video helps you to understand the process that you can follow to balance any given chemical equation. And for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.